How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jen, and for those that are new, thank you guys for tuning in. As promised, new notifications are coming in, guys. This is the beginning. Oh shoot, did I forget them? Just playing, guys. My mother-in-law's in the back there. Huge shout out to her because she's bringing all the parts there. It will not fit in the Camry, so stay tuned, guys. See how it looks, see how it fits, and the reviews. You know how I do things, so stay tuned for that, guys. Alright, guys, so we're detailing the cars. We're doing some jet seal, wrap detailer, and some recharge, new product. So stay tuned, guys. I'm not going to show you anything just yet, but we are detailing the cars for the photos tonight. We'll see how that looks. Also doing wifey's car. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so the sun is going down. Washing the car, still drying it, detailing. Not gonna show you guys much, but it's a lot of work detailing. It's been a while since I detailed the car, so stay tuned, guys, for tonight's reveal. Alright, guys, it's officially nighttime. We're gonna head over to the spot, take some photos. There's one spot that's really cool. Oh, the light went down. It's actually, whoops. It's actually by well, if you guys are in OC by Catella, where I actually took some photos. I'll show you guys right now. And there's people, a lot of people go to that spot, but right now it's a little bit late, so I don't think I should be going around there, especially going through that spot, you know. I don't want to get pulled over or get in trouble or anything. I'm pretty sure I'll be okay, but we're gonna go to another spot that there's actually, the lighting is perfect. We're actually going to be taking the GoPro for this and see how the GoPro, you know, goes with photos. I know it has a 5K quality and everything, so we're going to give the GoPro a chance to take the photos. Videos were awesome with them. I actually recorded with a pedal shifter video on with the GoPro, so I'm going to see how the photos turn out. So stay tuned, guys, and hope you guys love this, enjoy this. I'll see you guys on the spot. Now, before we leave, I think it's good to point out the brake. Why do we need a, well, technically not a brake, well, we're going to call it a brake. Why is that one important? Well, you guys will see why, because the new mod that I put on, we actually do need it, because we're going to take the photos alone, so we do need heavy. So you guys will see why. Now, as everybody's asking, why I'm going to take photos almost in the middle of the night? Because the spot looks way better at night, just because the lighting is perfect, especially for this car, because you know the whole White Pro situation. So we're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully my vision is better than what I imagined, because you know it's always good. So I love that exhaust, and we can go through here, but we're gonna go the other way around. Oh, looks like, yeah, looks like there's the lights on, so that's good. We detail the car, so the car is sexy. Let's get it going, guys. Alright, guys, we're here at the spot. So first things first, of course, you gotta open that sunroof. Not if you want to open it just a little bit, or just, I guess we can open it fully, I guess. Why not? Alright, let's see how. And clearly receives a lot of lighting, perfect for the shoot. Now, you guys, I'm not gonna be showing you the car just yet, so stay tuned for that. We gotta say, car looks amazing. We're gonna try to park. I know it's a little bit difficult when you're by yourself. So try to take all the paperwork that I have here. Try to get this shoot going on. Car's definitely clean. Let's get this going on, guys. Alright, guys, so on the shoot, I definitely forgot Mike Martin's new carbon fiber for the emblem. So, alright, guys, so as I'm putting this on, comment down below if you guys like the black on white or the white on black. Top, we did the top already. I'm gonna go down slowly to the bottom. I have my blade right here around the edges. Now we'll see how this one looks on. Now, as you guys see, we got most of it done. Gosh, bro, if you're seeing this, I miss you, man. It's so much harder to record and do this. This carbon fiber material is really another level, you know. It's a little bit difficult. So like I said, guys, start from the top to the bottom and just kind of like go your way down, all the way down. Should really go to, you know, wrap classes, wrapping my own car, crazy stuff, you know. The fun thing's gonna be putting the T key emblem and try to center it too. Okay, so Mike does an extra material just in case. So I did get it all around, which is really good. Now I think right here a little bit more. Now with the blade, we're just gonna cut this, the edges, because you know right here it's like a little center stuff there, so you can just go through this and just cut the extra pieces. We'll be right back because I can't record and do this at the same time. Alright guys, so there we have it. Actually now with the video, can actually see more bubbles right here. Trim it down pretty much. You guys can go through the inside and just, so whatever you guys didn't cut just tips inside. There's people that actually take this sensor out and it's able to do it much faster. Honestly, I haven't tried to do that. I just moved it a little bit. But we'll see. Boop. Where is this? Is the white on black? Oh no. It's gonna be black on black. Oh, there it is. Nice. I would just got it on. Honestly guys, big shout out to those people that wrap cars, because this is definitely not the easiest thing to do. I mean, I'm just struggling with this emblem. I mean, can you imagine people wrapping, you know, the whole car, especially people that aficionados, you know, like myself, that just wrap their whole car just because they want to save money on labor work and stuff. And big shout out to all of them, honestly. I know a few that literally wrapped their own cars, took a couple weeks, a couple tries, they didn't give up. I mean, especially when you wrap this little camera out. That damn takes skills, honestly. It takes skills and patience. Let's see how it looks. So far it's looking good. You guys don't know how satisfying this is, honestly. Ooh, ooh, look at that, sexy. Alright guys, so without further ado, say hello to the new Camry, the new C19 project. I think for now we're gonna be pausing the project, but without further ado, fam, welcome to the new C19. That's right. Whoever gets the count body kit, here we go, guys. Remember, kids, when you guys work hard today, 25 hours a day, 8 days a week, this becomes reality. This project has been on my mind for a while. Honestly, it's maybe it's not the reaction that you guys were expecting for me to be jumping in 1 foot, maybe, but you know, it was a dream. It was, maybe get the camera right on. It was a dream getting this bumper, honestly. Ever since I saw it, the con body kit from Russia, you know, it's been my dream, you know. I mean, it was what, like 3 years ago when the first kit came out, almost like 2 years and a half. But I remember talking to my dad about it, you know, and he was like, you know, back then, you know, no kids, nothing. It was like, you know, you can just take a loan, you know, and then just because it was like shipping and everything, it was like $5,000 or something, so it was pretty expensive. So I have another look at it, but it's just amazing, you know, having this right here right in front of me. We are gonna be getting a plate on the front, aero type, I believe. But I think the car is just amazing now. I was really looking for a one-of-a-kind diffuser, and I think I made it. You know, when I give, you know, the person, you know, I asked him if I can give him a shout out, if I can talk to him, you know, through my video. He said, nah, you know, I don't know why, but big shout out for him for letting me know for this diffuser. Sick ass thing. I just wanted something different, you know, and I put the diffuser in. It has a brake light, beautiful. The little lights were overdue already, so I was like, might as well put them on since they have to take the bumper out, put the diffuser and the connection. So I am putting the brake right now just for the brake light, so it is much brighter, and also the brake light turns on. Of course, you know, the license plate, it's been overdue 6 months. It took 6 months for it to come, so I mean, very happy, very excited about it. We're gonna get a move on, guys. It is pretty late. We will be putting the description, guys, if you guys are in OC. I hope there's no one here around. Honestly, there's like houses and apartments. People probably looking at me like, what the hell, this crazy guy in the middle of the night. But I want to give a huge shout out to Big Ron's Body Shop. Give a huge shout out to OC South OC Meats from San Clemente. They always have their meats and outlets every Saturday. I will be stopping by maybe this Saturday, because I asked them, since they're from OC, and I asked them who, you know, of any body shop they recommend, and they recommended me Big Ron. Big shout out to them. I'll put the description, phone number, everything on the bottom if you guys ever need any body work done. As for Brian, honestly, I'm a person that I know my car, so I was, you know, like maybe like talking like, oh, maybe you should do this, maybe you should do that, you know. And some people kind of like take it the wrong way. Sometimes they're like, oh, you know, let me do my job. But this guy was just the complete opposite, guys. Like I always say, I always recommend, I always go for places that has the best 3 things, which is best quality, as you guys can see, no issues whatsoever. Best prices, of course, everybody wants the best prices, and best customer service. That's the 3 main things that I recommend, you know. And Brian was a person that actually listened, you know, because there was a couple issues, you know, he did mention the sensors, you know, once you took the bumper out, sensors kind of had to be recalibrated. He helped me out with that too, so he is updated to 2021, not like other body shops that might not be updated. It's not just body work, he also works, you know, wiring and cables and stuff. So he was able to connect the fog lights, the brake light on the diffuser, and the little lights on the reflectors. And I mean, oh yeah, he also mentioned the camera was actually a little bit tricky to fit. I'm telling you guys these things so if you guys decide to get it, maybe there'll be issues. So the camera is a bit of an issue. Now guys, I know maybe you can see it from here, maybe you can't. My car has 4 sensors in the front, the ones here and the one on the other side. The front ones, I usually go next to the plate in this case, and this is pretty much from, I got an idea from the other people. It's on the mesh there. Is it safe? You know, he knows how to do it. You know, he got the sensors brackets for it. So because I think once you take the stock ones, it might break. So he got it from Toyota originally. So it took a couple days, but he did an awesome job. You know, like he told me, you know, if you want an awesome job, you want a good quality job, you know, it will take time. I was like, no worries. Took the car for 3 days. Awesome job. So we did it through there. You know, a lot of people have done them through them, so there's no issues whatsoever except for the recalibration. But that was because I took the rear bumper, which is funny because you will think this maybe is the front, but like I also took it to Toyota, and just in case. But it was just, you know, because of peace of mind, I guess. But they say that maybe when you take the front, maybe it trigger something in the back, but there's no issue whatsoever. I'll show you guys my dashboard right now. So everything looks good, aggressive looking. I mean, what else to say? I mean, I don't know what else to say. Also, you know, just big shout out to Brian, you know, thank you, bro, you know, appreciate this, man. Like Big Ron's Body Shop, I will be putting their number, everything, information down below. Did an awesome job, you know, honestly. Like, on point, everything, you know, crazy. But honestly, guys, big shout out to him. I mean, I keep saying this because not everybody knows how to do this. You know, this is, you know, not an easy job, because if you have the SC model, it might be easier just because you don't have the camera, the sensors, not too much wires going on, you know. Cool. You know, you just take the front, boom, boom, easy done, you know. The only sensor you have is the decal, your Toyota decal, you know, but that's unplug and plug and play. But the sensors, you know, But from what I know, the sensors are also plug and play, but just, you know, finding the right hole, finding this, if the hole's too small, funny, right? But even for the camera, you know. What else for the diffuser? I mean, it's the first one here in the States from what I know. Hopefully, I mean, it's been installed for about almost a week now, so I've been lagging on the photos and the video too, guys. I wanted to show you guys a video before posting this on Instagram, so I hope you guys enjoy this, love this. It has been my vision for a long time now, so hope you guys feel the same way that I do, you know. And yeah, I mean, oh, also, if you guys, you see there's no issues here, I'm just have the thing on park, don't worry, no check engine light, guys. Let me just turn the car on just to verify it with you guys. Everything is good. One thing, since you guys know, I had my, right here, I had my fog lights, you know, installed. He actually was able to make the same connection, so when I turn them off, it turns the fog lights off, so that's really good about this. It's kind of bright right now. Last video, guys, last 360 view. We got the yellow pillows, gonna match. I love the diffuser, honestly. I think I was thinking I would get in a paint match, but I think the black with the brake light list looks amazing. So you see my shadow there. Always representing Borla. I just love this, just love it. The big T key logo. Alright, fam. So there you have it. The beautiful C19 project. I think it's officially done, I think. If a tune comes in, or a tune or a turbo, whatever kit comes in for this one, you guys stay tuned, because we are working with the company right now. Hopefully we can get that going. Let me flip the cameras so you guys can see me. So we are gonna be working with a company, you know. We got a lot of people in this. Hopefully it does work. If it happens, hopefully, then I'll let you guys know for sure firsthand here on my channel. And remember, guys, it's not just about the car, so stay sexy. Until next time, guys.